Good morning, geometry students. Wanted to shoot out a video here at the beginning of the week just to kind of check in and see how you guys are doing. I even put myself down here in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen just because I haven't seen your face in a while. You haven't seen my face, and so I thought I'd put that down there. And don't forget, you can send a video into our Flipgrid. I've asked you guys to do that. Please make sure you do that. We're going to probably utilize Flipgrid to upload some other items here pretty soon. Wanted to check in with you. Here's our assignments list, our geometry distance learning assignments. I asked you to log in to IXL.com and complete these standards. There's some of you who have not done that. Some of you have not completed a standard yet. You've been home for a good 3 days now. So please jump in there, start working on these IXL.com standards. These are due Friday, March 27th. So these were designed for you to have them complete by this Friday, March 27th. So you notice you've got 2 standards to complete in the M section, 2 in the N, 2 in the S section, and 2 in the X section. I'll show you where those are at on IXL. So the M standards, those deal with triangles. I've got you working on proofs involving triangles 1 and 2. I've actually completed a video that walks through M8, and I'll go ahead and complete a video that'll walk through M9 as well. And if you go to the N section, you've got N13 and N14. Those are also proofs involving quadrilaterals, very similar to the triangle proofs. And then a level 2 that they're a little longer as far as completing those proofs. I'll make sure to shoot some videos and send those out to you as well. If you go down to the S section, that deals with area and perimeter. I've got you working on 5, 6, and 7. So area and perimeter in the coordinate plane, 1 and 2. And then area and circumference of circles, just to remind us of that. That one should be quick. If you want to go ahead and dive in on S7, that one should not take you very long. You'll knock that one out pretty quickly. Make sure you have a calculator. I sent out a link. You can actually go to TI online downloads, and you can go to the Texas Instruments website, and you can actually download for free. Let's see here. I'm going to go to the home page for Texas Instruments. Yeah, you can get free software for online learning. You have free 6-month subscriptions to TI software. That's for you guys. So download that. If you click download now, I've already downloaded them to my computer. You have teacher software. Don't worry about that one. But if you click select software for students, you can download a TI-84, a scientific TI, or the CX family of calculators, the TI Nspire CX. So go download those. They'll help you complete these assignments. Of course, if you don't want to do that, you know we have Desmos. In Desmos, we have an online graphing calculator, but then there's also, so that's the graphing calculator online. But if you go to desmos.com scientific calculator, just Google it. I think it's desmos.com/scientific. You've got a scientific calculator here that you can use to help you complete these IXL assignments. In addition to M, N, and S standards, I assigned you a few standards in X, probability. Some of it's review from previous items studied in middle school and even 9th and 10th grade, but also there's some new work there. If you have questions on that, let me know. I'm also going to produce some videos and send them out teaching us about probability and statistics, our probability and statistics standards. If you also look, I've asked you to complete the Unit 5 test. If you click here, it says click here, it's hyperlinked. It will actually, you might get a dialog box like this. Just click allow, and it will pull up the test in OneDrive. I've uploaded the test in OneDrive for you. You can print it. You can download it as a PDF. But in any case, I need you to complete this test. I'd love for you to email it to me or send me your answers on Remind. If you can't do that, just bring your solutions to school whenever we return, and I'll grade those and put it in the gradebook. This is our Unit 5 test. I plan to, if we don't return to school next week, or if we're not returning immediately after spring break, I plan to upload the Unit 6 test. So be prepared to have Unit 5 test done, and then also the Unit 6 test will be uploaded, and I'll send that out. Basically, this document, and that takes us through this document. So at the end of the week, you need to have these IXL standards complete, and then also the Unit 5 test. If you haven't signed up for Remind, you can do that by clicking here. When you click here, you'll see the instructions for signing up for Remind. Obviously, this is for geometry, so click on geometry, and you can sign up for Remind right here. These, again, this document takes us to the end of the week, and I will upload some additional assignments towards the end of this week, or probably going live on Monday to carry you through the following week. And then, of course, it'll be spring break. So we've got about 10 more days of digital learning, distance learning, and then spring break, and then we'll go from there. I hope this video clarifies what you should be completing. Please make sure you complete these IXL standards, and please make sure you complete the Unit 5 test. Additionally, if you've forgotten your IXL login, let me know. Send me an email, send me a message on Remind. I can look it up and I can send it right back to you. I hope you guys have a great day, and good luck with this distance learning.